I've liked how hands-on the courses are. I've liked how when I show up there, I have the resources in front of me to be able to work the best I can and to be able to learn what I want to learn.
Probably learning how to make my own server, because I learned on the program over there how to tap into my Wi-Fi, and so at home I did a project and I made my own server using the skills that I learned from this. I've gained skills of more knowledge on how to use tech, of stuff I've never knew before, and I've known a lot before, and I will use all these skills for my future job.
I love learning about coding and computer hardware, and I think the thing that I've learned most is that if you set a goal, eventually you're going to reach it, even if it's hard sometimes.
Being able to work with teams is most fun. So larger projects where I can talk to my neighbors around me and my peers and feel like I'm not alone. I've gained strong foundations in problem solving, logical thinking. I've learned how to look into more complex things and break it down, debug code, critically think when something doesn't work the first time, and skills that allow me to apply and be persistent and find ways to get around the issue.
Because with technology becoming so big nowadays, it's so interesting to see that what I'm learning in these classes, as far as phone hardware and computer hardware, it's become so useful in the real world when you go into a tech field. I would tell them absolutely. It's been so much fun, and it's so informative of how much we learn, and I didn't even imagine I'd be able to learn that much, but it's been a really good time and learning a lot.